Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, remove the 6 screws on the base cover. Loosen the 2 screws in the back corners of the base cover. Pry the base cover away from the recess points near the hinges to remove it. Identify the wireless module and remove the screw securing it. Unlatch and disconnect the cables to remove the module from the system. To reinstall the wireless module, reconnect the cables and relatch it to the system. Tighten the screw to secure the module. Place the base cover back on the system and tighten the screws to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.